The only thing that killed George Floyd was an overdose of excessive force. I have been a civil rights lawyer all of my professional life, but I've been black for all of my life. And what that has taught me is we can never ever take for granted that a police officer will be held accountable for killing a black person in America unjustifiably, no matter how much evidence we have. But I do believe in my heart that he will be convicted in this matter. But my heart has been broken before dealing with the American legal system. Now, it's what we expected. I've told all his brothers and sisters, all his family, they're going to assassinate his character. They're going to call him everything but a child of God. They're going to try to blame it on his trace amount of drugs. They're going to try to blame it on his health condition. They shocked me when they said they started blaming the crowd, these angry black people, even though they was not all black people out there, and trying to say, oh, they're the reason why he couldn't take his knee off his neck. But with that said, I just want to be clear on the record, Jim. The only thing that killed George Floyd was an overdose of excessive force. And the one thing that I thought was so compelling in this case was on the first day. The first witness, that 911 dispatcher, which had that bombshell testimony right from the beginning when she said, I was watching the video and I called my sergeant and I said, I don't want to be a snitch, but what I'm seeing is not right.
There just something wasn't right. I don't know how to explain it. It was a gut instinct to tell me that now we can be concerned.
And what did you decide to do?
I took that instinct and I called the sergeant.
When you look at all those bystanders, you look at the firefighter, you look at Darnella, you look at the little 9-year-old girl, the one person who did not have any humanity was Derek Chauvin, who kept his knee on his neck and put his hand in his pocket and watched George Floyd die underneath his knee. We are all praying, many of us, that George Floyd's killing during this trial of Officer Derek Chauvin will be a resurrection for equal justice for marginalized minorities in America that, as you said, has often not been something that we have received in the American justice system.